Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to make a easy presentation style bouquet. I'm using fall colors, but this is just a quick and easy way of making a presentation style bouquet. What I'm doing here is I'm going to use a lot of this wax floral tape. So I just kind of show how I hold it. Once you get a hang of hanging onto the wax floral tape, it's real easy to combine the stems. A good way to practice is to do a whole lot of corsages, so that's one way you can get some good experience. But overall, once you get used to carrying that wax floral tape, using it is a breeze. So what I'm going to do here is make a bunch of bundles of just the fall flowers. So I have a larger kind of terracotta colored flower with a taupe rose, and I got a little bit of greenery. And I'm not gonna use the same combination in each bundle that I do here. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. I really love this color combination. I just think that it would look really stunning with like a almost like a gold color gown. It'd be so pretty, and it's got although it is fall, it still has kind of that old-timey look to it, almost like one of those sepia tone photographs. I don't know, I'm just digging this color combination. So I'm just going along, connecting all of them, and I did end up just doing a little bit of a bow. It was a just kind of a sheer cream colored bow, just one loop, really simple. Presentation style bouquets, you can really go crazy on the handle and with the bows and such if you wanted to, and with the draping. I mean, you can drape it down all the way down your arm or onto the ground if you want. You can make it short, you can make it real long. They're just kind of a fun bouquet to carry and to make. Once I have these little bundles together, I did have some other greenery that I'm going to tuck in as I go along. I didn't want to include that in the bundles just in case I needed some kind of filler. But now that I have them all bundled together, I'm just going to build it right on my arm, how I would want to carry it. Pushing more of the flowers towards the outside because that's where it's going to show the most. This is a great bouquet to carry if you have a lot of embellishments on your gown. By carrying it off to the side, it leaves that middle area exposed. So if you have some embroidery, some bedazzling going on that you want to show off, it's a good style bouquet to carry. It also keeps one arm free too, so if you have multiple things that you're going to be carrying or have to do something once you get to your location, with the bouquet, that keeps an extra arm free. I'm trying to build up more of the mass at the base of the arrangement here, almost making like a cone shape. This bouquet would look really pretty with some berries or some kind of darker, almost seeds maybe, or like a darker brown. Ooh, this would be a beautiful bouquet with like a chocolate brown gown too. That'd be really nice. Once I'm happy with how everything's laying out, I'm going to tie it off with a chenille stem. I'm going to hold it nice and tight. And then I'm going to add my little bow there, just a little shoestring. Just kind of give it a little bit of a movement, a little touch of that cream color down low, keeping it nice and light at the base of the bouquet. And there'll be a link in the descriptions for tools such as wax floral tape. I believe there's a link for wires and just basic tools for doing floral design that I know I can't live without. And I think you'll find them handy as well. Like I said, once you get used to the wax floral tape, it just becomes a cinch to spin it around and around there. And it's kind of cool how the wax coating kind of melts as your hands get hotter and bonds together and gets that good tight grip on there. I would do a little bit of fluffing, always fluffing with the bouquets there. Try to get my focal flowers more towards the front, drape that ribbon over. You want to keep the lighter colors more towards the front because they'll be your more of your focal point. But there we go, made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for watching.